Okay, so Coach Steve here, and I don't know what just happened to my. There it is. Okay, here it is. Okay, Coach Steve here, and I just created a blog post. Um, I just created a blog post about my BuilderAll business. Um, and the blog post is all about how when people um, were going out to the gold rush in California back in the day. They discovered gold in them dar hills. Uh, anyway, I'm not going to read all this to you, but I'll just get right to the gist of it. But I wanted to let you know that with your free website, you will get an opportunity to go in and blog, because the free website also has a component that allows you to start blogging. And every time you blog, it sends your it notifies the the internet world that you're there, and you've got new content, and so you get a chance to kind of like talk to people on a daily basis from all over the world, all over the freaking world, my friend. So, and that doesn't mean that everybody's gonna see this, but when you got a global reach, you'd be surprised at who's gonna run across this. It may be one of those deals after they stumble upon it, they can't figure out how to get back to it, but we can do certain things to take care of that, because if they click on one of my links or whatever, they're automatically going to get registered to me. They're automatically going to get an email, so they'll always know how to they'll know how to get back. The internet is super smart. They figured that deal out. Okay, but anyway, so in this blog post that I have put in, and by the way, this is a part of your email of your free website that you're going to have access to. This thing is so amazing. So in this blog post, I talked about how during the gold rush, the first millionaires from the gold rush were not the people mining for gold. It was the people who set up the stores, the supply stores, to take care of all those people up there mining for gold. Those are the people who ended up making a killing, becoming millionaires first. I'm sure there's people who ended up, scoring a bunch of gold, but the first people to become millionaires were the people who had supplies for the prospectors. And this is the exact same thing that this new company, the company is called. Be sure to check out my BuilderAll business. The company is called BuilderAll. BuilderAll. And so this company supplies all the various things that you're going to need to be successful online, right there in one place. Right there in one place. And so they are practicing that same they have the same mentality as the shop owners and the supply stores from way back in the day. And so this is one of the companies that I work with, and this is they got all this stuff for you under one roof. So you don't have to go out and get all the various supplies that you're going to need to run your business. You don't have to go out and get them from a whole bunch of different places. You can get them all right here at BuilderAll. That's why they call it BuilderAll. They got it all. They got it all, and it's right there for you. So this video has kind of like a double-edged sword, and so I'm telling you about the BuilderAll program that you can become a part of, and I'm also telling you about how you're able to blog. I'm showing you how you're able to blog on your site. I wrote this, and to send to you. But I wanted to show you what you're going to be able to do. Every opportunity I get to show you what you're going to be able to do with the website with the free website that you're going to get, I like to take advantage of it, okay? So here we go. Be sure to check out BuilderAll, my BuilderAll business. So here is the way this works, okay? So you see that link right there, the permalink. I'm going to put this link in there because I want you to see what's going to happen when, boom, I just hit that. Okay. I want you to see what's going to happen when somebody clicks on the link, because I'm going to make this link available. This link right here that I just pasted in there into my browser, this link I'm going to put at the bottom of this video so that you can click on it yourself and see what happens and see where this takes you. Okay? Boom! You see that? This takes you to the website. It takes you directly to, it's going to take you to your website where this is. This is what I just wrote, and it's live on the website for all to see. By Steven, March 25th, 2018. That's today. In block. And this is where I start talking about what I was just talking about. And you see the links right there. It says, and that's why you need a company like BuilderAll. It's a one-stop shop for everything you're going to need. Tap this link to check it out, to check out BuilderAll. So, since I got you right here, let's just tap the link so you can see what happens when we go to check out this link. Now, this link, when you tap this link is automatically coded to me. So when somebody joins BuilderAll, based on tapping this link, it is automatically comes to me, gets credited to me. That's my.
So you want to do business online and be able to work from the comfort of your home. And you have probably seen a few online business models such as e-commerce, affiliate marketing, network marketing, or even someone teaching you how to start your own agency. But at the end of the day, what's the most profitable and sustainable online business model that anyone can do, and even if they are a complete beginner? That's the question you should be able to answer. Come with me and I'll tell you all about it.
Okay, so I just paused it just so I can tell you. If you click the link, you'll see this whole commercial. And I think there's a little bit of, I got too much stuff open here, so my internet is a little bit slow. But as you can see, enter your name, enter your email, boom, get instant access. Well, by the time when people do that, when people enter their name and their email, they end up going on my list. They end up going on my list, and I can and I'll be able to send them things later on. But the other thing that happens is that if they end up signing up for this course, for this business, I'll make money off of them, and they're not only off of them and their success in this business, but this is how it behooves me to help you and to help you be successful, because when I help you, I'm also helping myself, because the more people that you sign up, you're gonna get paid for it, but I will also get a piece of that action as well. So that's why this system of it just works, that I need to help you. It forces me to help you. I mean, if I want to be successful. And listen, I want to be successful. And so do you. So whoever you sign up and whoever comes to your website, you may not even know them, but you'll have their name and their email address, and you'll know how to get in touch with them. And besides that, the company is going to be the one, BuilderAll, is going to send them everything they need to get going, everything they need for training, the Facebook groups and all that kind of stuff. It just happens. You don't really have to do anything. But, you know, I'm so focused on helping people who've never made money on the internet before that I know you're going to run into some challenges along the way, not because there's anything like wrong or anything, but sometimes us baby boomers, sometimes we are technically challenged. And I mean, you know. So anyway, I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you to figure this whole thing out. So there you go. So I'm gonna put at the bottom of the sheet here, at the bottom of this video, I'm gonna put this link there so that you can see how this works. And I'm sure you know you won't have all these tabs open on your computer like I do. Oh, good grief! That's a bad habit. I've got to stop that. It slows down everything. So anyway, so you'll be able to do it. And everything I'm doing right now, I'm doing through some of these products and through some of the tools that I have access to with these companies, and it's just really amazing. By the way, when you get one of my websites, when you get a free website, these guys are going to give you, they automatically give you like they give you like a 30 days of planning here. Click here to start day 7. I'm past that, but I kind of remember where some of this stuff is. But look at this members area home. You're gonna get trained. They're gonna train you like big time to be able to use this thing. I'm telling you, man, this, and that's my user, you know, thing. But look, 30 Day to Success training guide. Look, they've got. You just go through the training. You go through 30 days of training. And all of this stuff is just really, really good information that they send to you when you get this website. The information, this thing is packed to the gills with content for you to learn how to do all this stuff. I mean, it blows my mind. So, anyway, there you go. So that's what's included on your it's called a plug-in profit site. And this is perfect. You get the 30 Days to Success, the official training guide of the plug-in profit site. Before you get started, remember this: do or do not. There is no try. There's no trying. This is by Yoda, Star Wars. Anyway, here you go, man. Don't procrastinate. Don't put this off. Get started with your training. It doesn't just work by itself. You're gonna have to kind of get trained. And the wonderful thing is, they're telling you to be trained, and they are providing the training for you. If you can always go back to I'll always be able to go back in here to learn more stuff. To if I need to repeat a lesson or go back and find something, I mean, you know, you can always do that. This is so neat, so cool, and I am honored to be able to provide you something of such high quality. This is quality. I have to put together trainings and stuff like that, and this is quality right here. This is quality. So I'm proud of it. And when you log on and get your free website, you're gonna be happy, and you'll be saying, "Steve, thank you, man. Coach Steve, you're the man." I'll say, yeah. Anyway, guys, listen. Thanks a lot. This is a short one, and Coach Steve, I'm out of here. Hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel. Let your friends know, and be sure to tell your friends if you've already got a website. Let your friends know that they need to sign up on your website, not mine. Okay? And if you already have a website and you got it from me, then your recruits, the people that you give a website to, it's kind of like they're my grandchildren. You know what I mean? I'm their granddaddy, so to speak. So we're all in the same family. Just make sure that they hit the link that you provide. And the way that you do that is to go ahead and get your site so that you can give them a link to sign up, so that you can give them something. The longer you put it off, and don't forget to let them know. Don't sign up on Steve's site He's the guy who's going to be helping us. But you sign up on my site. That's what you tell your people. So give them the chance to sign up on your site first. You get the site and get everything set up so that we can get you ready to start giving that thing out. Boom, 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 bing, bang, boom. Okay? All right. Coach Steve, I'm out of here, my friend. And I will put this link at the bottom of the video. Thanks. The link to how to get to the blog that I just showed you. Okay? Okay, thanks, guys.